The Cramer's rule today. Now here a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1, one equation. a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2, second equation. a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3 is the third equation. I told you already, when you have three equations, we called as they are planes. If you have two variables, linear equation in two variables, that is lines. Linear equation in three variables, that is called as planes. So we are going to discuss about them in detail, how to find the solutions. Okay. Right now, they given a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3 are the three linear equations. We write in a matrix form. What is we do here? Matrix form we will write. Okay. So let us take the matrix form is, one is the coefficient matrix a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3. We take like this. Okay, when you write in a matrix form, this is we write as D. So next we will write another matrix. This is the D, means determinant matrix. We can say the D matrix. We can say this. So determinant we take like this. One is D matrix. All are coefficient matrices. Then D1 matrix we will take. D1 determinant. The D1 determinant, what we will do here, this constant is there, na? This constant will replace with this A1, A2, A3. Means this will come in this place. So that time what I am going to get D1 is, D1 I am going to get as D1, D2, D3 and then I will get as B1, B2, B3 and you get as C1, C2, C3. So D1, you have to require D1, D2, D3 special matrices or determinants. So D is this matrix A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. You can write even this is A matrix. It's not compulsory D only you have to take. You can take D, A also. And D1 is this matrix. And then we will take D2 matrix. D2, what do you take? D2 determinant will be, we will replace in this B1, B2, B3 place this D1, D2, D3. So what I get here? A1, A2, A3 and then I will get as D1, D2, D3. Then I will get as C1, C2, C3. This is what I get D2. Last one, that is D3 we have to write. D3 place what we will do here? In this case, in C1, C2, C3 we write D1, D2, D3. So what I am going to get here, A1, A2, A3, next B1, B2, B3, next we write as D1, D2, D3. Then the solution for X will be, is here, see whenever you want to solve these three linear equations, these three linear equations in three variables, if you want to solve, first you have to create these determinants. First what you have to make it here, coefficient determinant A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. So this is not for boards, okay, this is for JW. So you can write as D is equal to A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. D1 what we will do, A1, A2, A3 plus D1, D2, D3. This constant will replace in the first column. First column will be hide and constant will be replaced. Second D2 is what here? Second column will be hide, means this in this matrix. You see this one. A1, A2, A3 hide by this one in the D1. And B1, B2, B3 are removed and replaced by B1, D2, D3 for D2. And for D3 it will be what here? C1, C2, C3 will be removed and will be replaced by this. So you will get D, D1, D2, D3. Then the solutions for this is X is equal to D1 by D. Y is equal to D2 by D. Z is equal to D3 by D. This is the solutions for the given linear equations. Therefore, X we will write as D1 by D, Y is equal to D2 by D, Z is equal to DT by D. This is what we call as Cramer's rule. In this way we will solve. So this is the easiest. I am going to give some more conditions here. whenever you get discrim D, this D is not equal to 0, then you will get unique solutions. What do you get here? Unique solution. If D will become 0, then we have to go for determinant of D1, D2, D3 we have to check. I'll give the conditions for that, but in general for board point of view this will be important in board point of view. But board they don't ask the Cramer's rule, so there is no Cramer's rule in the board. If you want to use, you cannot use it. So here D is what here? A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B. Understood now? They will give three equations. First we will write matrix form, determinant form. D is equal to coefficient determinant. Then we will hide this first this variable, this coefficient, and we will replace constant. Then we will hide the second coefficients and we will replace the constant. We will hide the third one. We will remove the third one and we will replace with the constant. You get these three, and the solution for this, if you want to find x, that is d1 by d, y is d2 by d, z is d2 by d3 by d. D is nothing but what? Determinant of the matrix, and you know very well how to find the determinant. Okay, I will give you some conditions now. Okay, note down this. Yeah, now listen here. What I want to tell you here, in Cramer's rule, I as already told you, they will give you three equations and you will write D, D1, D2, D3. If you got D is not equal to 0, D is not equal to 0 you got, then will be have unique solution. Means x is equal to some value, y, z will get some values. Here D is nothing but A, means in the matrix inverse method, like coefficient matrix, like A1, A2, B1, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, like this matrix, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. This A only we are considering here as D, we are considering. D means the determinant of A, D is nothing but determinant of A. So here, this is the matrix we write. So you get this one is not equal to 0, then will be unique solution. But if you get this is equal to 0, if this is determinant you got 0, then you have to find D1, D2, D3. All three you have to find. D1 determinant, D2 determinant, D3 determinant. In among these all these three, any one, at least one, any one, either D1, either D2, either D3, any one is not equal to 0, then no solutions. Minimum any one, at least one you got not equal to 0, D1, D2, D3 among this, you have no solution. But D1, D2, D3, all the three you got zeros, as well as D is 0. D is 0, D1, D2, D3 0, then you have no solution or infinite solution. It may be no solution or infinite solution. That will be judged by seeing the equations. By seeing the equation we can say it is a no solution or infinite solution. By observing the equation we will say. If you get D1, D2, D3, D is 0. For example, see here, whenever you got as D is equal to 0, D1, D2, D3 equal to 0, then we have to check like this. If D is 0, any one of them is not equal to 0, any one of them no solution. If D is not equal to 0, unique solution. In this case, we will observe the planes. How we will observe the planes? See, if this method, if you are not interested, you can do the previous method which I explained, matrix inverse method. Adjoint B into A, adjoint A into B. You can do that method also. That method is for sure. But this is the easiest method among all. So in this method, what we do here, x plus y plus z equal to 1, 2x plus 2y. One example I took. You see there, x, y, z, this after multiplying 2 you got this, after multiplying 3 you got this. It means these three planes are having some multiple, then you are getting them. So the planes are parallel to each other, means वो parallel है, इसके ऊपर है. They are parallel to each other, they are parallel inside. So if the planes are parallel, means coincide, these are coincide, sorry. X plus y plus z equal to 1, 2x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 2, 3x plus 3y plus 3z is equal to 3. If it is like this, coincide, planes are coincide, so you will be having infinite solution. Here in this case, x plus y plus z equal to 1, 4x plus 4y plus 4z is equal to 4. These both are coincide. means these two planes becomes one plane. Here these three planes are becoming in one place, that you get infinite solutions. Here in this case these two planes will become one plane, like horizontal plane you suppose, these both planes are becoming one plane, and another plane is intersecting them, another plane is intersecting them. Then there, this is called as here in 3D geometry I explained, this is called as point of intersection of both planes. Both planes point of intersection I explained already, you can check it there. Like here you want to get this one idea, you have to remove this one and you have to just observe in 3D picture. So what happens here, like a open book, this book is there, this book is there, it's an open book like this, like it's an open book. So two planes are like this, it means that they have infinite solution on the line. So they will be having infinite solution here. So in this case you will be saying infinite solutions. In this case also infinite solution. You have to check them. Multiplying, all three are multiplying and coming, means coincident lines. Coincident line means infinite solution. Here two are coincident, another is not coincident. So intersecting planes. Intersecting planes means infinite solution. Intersecting planes, infinite solution. Coincident planes, infinite solutions. So you got 2 points. Next one more 2 points I'll explain. Okay, note down. As I informed you now, in Cramer's method 4 types will be there. So in this case, this method you understood, this method you understood. Now third and fourth condition is what? X, Y, Z. These are multiples. See, the X is multiplied 2, Y is multiplied 2, 2, 2 and multiplied 3, means the variables are coming by multiplication but constants are different. Then these are called parallel planes. These are parallel planes. If D is different, constant is different and all these are having multiples, then these are parallel planes. So in this case you get no solution. Rest all the cases you get infinite solutions. And in this case what you have, x plus y plus z equal to 1, x plus e, this in this case what you see that all are different, all are different, no things are same, even coefficients are different, variables are different, everything is different. Variables okay, constants and these are different. So in this case all three planes are intersecting planes. So here also infinite solutions. Here infinite, everywhere infinite, only this case means these constant different and these are same, so multiples of that, then no solution you will get. This is, you understand, means all JEE problems we can solve. Now we will start solving the JEE problems.